later kung paut sa mag-ani dire. So later exit guys. B Latong exit B. So B here. Latong straight. Dan atas sa ground floor. Masakay sa lift guys. Masakay sa lift going to ground floor. Here na McDonald's. Sabok. Ha? Tunal na siya. So, diri ra siya. Diri. Ani. Then, aning likod anin niya guys. Diri ra ka mo jump hop. This one. Here, this one. Mahilig biya ang Pinoy guys. Huwag ka nang agianan nga dili saktong agianan ba. Then here. Dayon? This one? Are you serious? Then here. Then here. Kamang-kamang system. Then here. Are you sure? And straight, yeah, the ribbon is here. As you can see guys, may mga ribbon. Human? Honey? Diba, ana? So, diri guys. At 1 p.m. Guys, kabalo ka, it's already 1 p.m. 1:02. So, tarik tayong init. Diyos mio marimar guys. But, still, hindi ka nami ganina sa Ocean Park. Nagbaklay mi, so sad. Wa mi kalaho sa Brick Hill kay. We're so scared, so risky. Tukuan sa dalan nga. Wala. So guys, this one. So, straight lang. Dili ta mo left kay maadto ta sa marong turn ta. So dire. Straight lang guys. Straight sa kabundukan. Yes. Ano guys? Dire? Left din ka ani. You can see this. Notice. Morning pa left ka. So guys, this is the journey begin. The tali begin. Oh, sorry. Dinhi sa medyo half na mi sa trail. Inani imo view nga makita like this. So inani nindot siya ang building. So unsa ni gra Kennedy Town? Dili mi sure guys, Aberdeen ba or Kennedy Town, something like that. Kani nga mga building. Oo. Dili mi sure, basta dito pa may paingon sa ibabaw ana. The trigonometric. Oh, Yukwashan. After that, nga area sa kuan. Ito. Okay. Tumya dito. Area. Kuan. Mag photoshoot. So, here. Guys, the view is amazing. Ya lama ira na siya. Dari ani atong dito Ocean Park kanina. Then dari siya ka nice kani Christmas Day 1941.
And in order not to fall into enemy hands, a group of 68 Chinese and British officers and men with the famous one-leg Admiral Chan Chak, China's top representative in Hong Kong, succeed in breaking through a hail of Japanese bullets and shells as they made their attempt to flee Hong Kong. About 3 p.m. when the Japanese army started to enter Central from Wan Chai district, these Chinese and British officers beat down Queen's Road Central towards the west by cars, passing Puk Fulam to avoid them, intended to use their motor torpedo boats for escape. By then, all the remainder of Hong Kong's naval forces were 5 MTBs. 3 of them were lying low in a bay behind Apli Chow, Aberdeen Island. The other 2 boats were moored at the dairy farm jetty in Telegraph Bay today, Cyberport. Breaking through the enemy's encirclement, they passed the University of Hong Kong, Queen Mary Hospital, Telegraph Bay, Aberdeen, Apli Chow, and Estlama Island before landing at Mers Bay. After that, the team walked for 4 days to Wai Chau in Guangdong province, which was about 80 miles away. About 50 men of the Royal Navy continued their journey across China to Burma and reached Britain 5 months later. Oh my God.
Here guys, inana ang kanindot sa view. Look, inana guys, see that? This is the nice view over here. My God, ako'y humok, ako'y gahi.